Nice to see you again. Okay, now I want to try to make a presentation about culture of Indonesia. One of culture Indonesia is from Batak, North Sumatra. Okay, I will give the file. Wait a minute. Okay, I can share. Okay, wait. Just a few minutes. Okay. Bisa Jus, mananya?
Ya. Let's
Filenya. Oh, file ya. No, file. Semalam bisa kok, sekarang nggak bisa. What's going on? Wait a minute. Semalam itu loh, balik dia.
So excited.
Oh my God, so sorry. I'm so sorry.
Aku ingin cerita banget tuh.
Your cartoon is nice.
Yeah. How I can get the file? Why left?
Ngawur ya.
I can find the file.
Oh, don't worry. You share screen first, and then we can lead you to find your file. Yeah, okay.
Oh yeah, thank you, Mr. Virus.
Please.
Okay.
Don't worry, Mom Effie.
Oh yes. I forgot it because nervous.
No.
Okay. I will check.
You are. Okay, once again, with virtual
can you
to Mom Effie as a first presenter here.
Okay, can you see my screen?
Yes.
All of you, can you see? Okay, thank you. Okay, I want to describe about our culture of Indonesia, Batak culture. Okay, this is Batak culture. As we know that our country have many culture of Sabang until Merauke. So one of them is traditional Batak culture from North Sumatra, like me come from North Sumatra. Okay, long time ago, we only know about this traditional culture because the Bataknese people who lives in the North Sumatra. But now the Bataknese are around the world, so we can know about their culture. Okay, and then next. The Batak culture consists of the Batak Toba language with a slightly louder accent. Like, I make example, Horas!
Horas! Beras kita!
Yes. And then, Batak culture have the traditional art, such as theater art or Sigali-gali. Sigali-gali is a status of Sisingamangaraja. So if you go to Samosir Island, you can find the status of Sigali-gali. Okay, and then next, beside of traditional art, so Batak culture have a dance too, dance art. We call it tortor. If you know, like my custom now, you know tortor. Okay, now later we can sing about lagu Sinanggar Tulo.
Okay, Sinanggar Tulo, like that.
Yes. Okay, and then Marembas like that. And Batak culture have the traditional music, and we call the traditional music is uning-uningan, like gondang. If you must hit the uning-uningan, the sound will out. Okay. Okay. Next, the Batak cultural identity that is not shared by other tribes in Indonesia is division associated into the three groups. We call it Dalian Natolu. What is Dalian Natolu? It is Somba Marhula-hula, Manak Mardongan Tubu, and Elek Marboru. Later I can explain to you. So the kind of tribe of Batak we have like Batak Toba, Batak Karo, Batak Simalungun, Batak Angkola, Batak Mandailing. Like me, I'm from Batak Toba. So all the tribe in the Batak tribe, tribes has their uniqueness. Okay, next. Okay, there are some traditional from Batak culture and that apply until now. All the Batak people do this. What it is? It is, there is partuturan, daliana tolu, mangulosi, upasa, manortor or dance, and mangokal holy, mengangkat tulang. Okay, next I will continue. Okay, the 5 most important traditional event in the life of Batak people. It is Mangaleon Ulos Tondi, like in the wedding in the wedding party, the parent give the ulos to their daughter and their son-in-law. And mangupa-upa nama luar. It is like this. When the son will grow up, they can make own decided. So and then we give the upa go like give blessing to them like that. And then manguli or makmuli itu perkawinan. Upa maranak marboru, maranak itu mempunyai anak, marboru itu punya anak boru gitu. And then the monding is die, pass away. Okay, and next, the most value in the life of Batak culture is Batak people who lives by upholding the quality of morality, politeness, tolerance, and it is passed down from generation to generation until now. Okay, I want to tell you about the Batak culture have the special food. Maybe you ever hear about this food. Like I give in the picture, it is I scroll. It is arsik. It is naniura. It is manuk napinadar. And this migomak. It is the most favorite food for Batak culture. Okay. And then
It's look yummy.
Okay. Yes. Very yummy. Maybe next time we can eat together. If have a good time and correct time. Okay, now I want a Batak have favorite too. Maybe like in Batak people, this is the most like special beverage. We call it tuak. Tuak is a type of alcoholic beverage produced by fermentation of coconut sap and rice. This beverage often available at traditional event, like I said, a family event, and in the lapo. You know lapo like a cafe, like a warung, like that to serve. Okay, next. This is the Batak traditional clothes. We call it ulos. Like I'm use ulos. This is like cloth for ethnic of Batak, woven of sutra materials. Okay, and then this is I told you the Batak have tortor. Yes, this is tortor dance. Yeah, tortor dance is ancient time one dance dedicated to the ancestor. Tortor means the sound of dancer when the pounding on the floorboard like this, the floor like that, and of the Batak Toba traditional house. But now tortor dance always used at tribe event, major event, and entertainment for guests or tourists who come to our place, especially like to Samosir Island, North Sumatra. Okay, this is the Batak traditional music, uning-uningan. Maybe you can see the picture. Okay, I guess only this. Oh, I forget. I have made a slide place, but maybe not in this slide. Okay, next time I will give to you. Okay, guys, thank you and see you again. Thank you, Mr. News, for the time.
Oh, wow, wow. Very, very fantastic presentation from Mom Effie. Okay, okay. Nice presentation. And I not give some note because this very, very fantastic for us. And we can discuss together after this part. After this, we gonna do Mom
Annabella first.
Annabella who presented Manado culture. But would you like to stop screen, Mom?
Okay. Oh yeah. Sorry.
Ah,
Okay.
okay, Mom Annabella,
Oh, okay.
have you ready?
No, oh yeah, I want to share PPT, my PPT.
Okay.
Share screen, yeah.
Okay, while we wait for Mom Annabella, would you like Mom Effie sing one or two sentences about Batak songs?
Oh my God.
Yeah, I will
Where is the
arrange
sound?
you with my voice. Drang, 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 drang. Alicia,
Okay.
Alicia.
Wait a minute. I'm not know all the song, but I will try. Wait a minute.
We sing together, right?
Yes.
Our participants
Can we sing together?
can sing together with Mom
Yo,
Effie.
lagu the song is from Batak. It is Sinanggar Tulo.
Okay, Sinagar Tulo. Only refrain.
Yes. Sinanggar Tulo from the reference.
Yeah, only refrain
Okay.
because the time.
Okay. Sinanggar tulo tulo hatulo, Sinanggar tulo tulo hatulo, Sinanggar tulo tulo hatulo, Sinanggar tulo tulo hatulo, Sinanggar tulo hatulo, Sinanggar tulo hatulo.
Jreng, 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 jreng,
Ada dua to.
jreng, jreng, jreng. Okay, give applause, big applause. Okay, thank you, Mom Effie. So,
I'm so excited to sing a song, Mr. Yus. You start. Yeah. Oh my God, how could be?
it's okay. Okay, the
Okay,
second
let me continue.
Mom Annabella Tilaar from Manado. Okay.
Yeah, thank you, Mr. Yus, for giving me the opportunity to let me present my team, Manado culture. Good evening to all my friends. Thank you for attending this webinar. I try to explain about Manado, but I reach from the several literacy in internet. Of course, even I Manadonese try, but that the fact doesn't mean that I know everything about Manado. Okay, okay, we start about Manado culture. You can see in the slide that definition of Indonesian culture according to Wikipedia as in the slide, yeah. The form of regional culture is Indonesia. Of course, it's the same with Manado culture. There are such as traditional houses, traditional ceremony, dances, songs, music, performing art, traditional clothing, sounds art, cuisine, religion, and philosophy, and others. Yeah. Next. Manado or Minasa. Manado is in North Sulawesi, Indonesia. North Sulawesi is divided into two zones, namely the southern zone in the form of lowlands and highlands, such as Tomohon, yeah, and the northern zone, which includes the island. The North Sulawesi region also has many volcanoes due to its location on the edge of the Sunda Plate. North Sulawesi has 41 mountain. Yeah, there is much mountain in Sulawesi Utara, North Sulawesi. Okay. The traditional house in Manado, there are the traditional house of the house, still house is called wali wangko. It means pewaris in Indonesian. This traditional house is a type of house in steel with 3 main part and 1 additional part. The 3 main part of North Sulawesi house are the front porch, the middle porch, and the back porch, while 1 additional part is the kitchen house. Currently in Manado, many houses on steel sold, which can be ordered outside the island of Sulawesi. Then many buyers come from Java and Sumatra can order this steel house. Of course, the price there are around 50 million rupiah to 80 million rupiah. I think it's relatively relative cheap, but the expensive is shipping cost. The price, the steel house, include the cost of installation built up by a carpenter. The tribes, the majority of population of Sulawesi is the Minahasa ethnic group. The province of North Sulawesi has at least 14 ethnic groups. Of course, you can imagine, if there were 10 languages in North Sulawesi, how many ethnic groups in Indonesia? It's Indonesia very rich, Then next, language, The language agency knows that there are 10 regional in North Sulawesi, including Bantik, Minahasa Tonsawang, Bolaang, Mongondo, Gorontalo, Malay, Minahasa, Minahasa Tonsia, Pasan, Panosakan, Sangihe Talaut. There are 10 regional language. Dance, The province of North Sulawesi has a wealth of dance. There are very much and also very impressive. Some dance that are famous in Manado, originating from North Sulawesi, such as the Maengket dance. Maengket dance is one of the traditional dance of Minahasa tribe in North Sulawesi. Then later, this dance is not only at the time of harvest, but also other event. Originally, a dance a thanks to God for a good harvest. In dance of Maengket is there are performance from some of women with handkerchief. They're waving a handkerchief. Typical food, North Sulawesi has various types of typical food, such as tinotuan, dabu-dabu, woku, bagia, etc. Tinotuan is a porridge mixed with sweet corn, with spinach, kale, and we can eat with sambal roa chili, roa chili. Then in the middle is dabu-dabu. Dabu-dabu is chili recipe, is usually made from cayenne pepper, curly chili, onion, tomatoes, ginger, and lime juice. Then in the right is woku. Woku, the dishes can be made from chicken, beef, including fish. Then the ingredient include lime leaf, chili, then wuluh starfruit, green tomato, and basil leaf. Next, traditional ceremony. In Manado, of course, there are such as there have a traditional ceremony such as birth ceremony, marriage, death, burial, worship, inauguration of tribal chiefs, and so on. There is some Mandado traditional or wedding clothes. Yeah, usually they use white kebaya. Yeah. Okay, then there are traditional ceremony such as Dortoki ceremony, Mapalus, and Tuludu celebration. Dortoki ceremony is a pre-wedding event that they actually contain between a set and a traditional ceremonial procession, which is arranged in one day of implementation. In the Minahasa, language toki pintu means knocking on the door. The groom knock the door of bride. Then in the first and second knock, the door didn't open, but in the third knock, the bride opened the door. It means that the bride is not cheap. Then Mapalus. Mapalus is cultural tradition of Minahasa tribe where doing everything is done together or gotong royong. Mapalus culture content as a very basic meaning. Yeah, Mapalus is also known as the local spirit and local wisdom of the Minahasa community. The Mapalus is such as they are together build a house, or there are open the land for what they how they call it pertanian, yeah. Then Tuludu celebration. The Tuludu celebration or Ki Taong, Ki of the Year, is held of the end of every January and is filled with traditional religious ceremony where expression of praise and gratitude are expressed to the Creator for the blessing and grace that have been received in the past year, while asking for blessing and forgiveness of sins as a provision of life in the new year. Actually, the Tuludu celebration usually like local culture, yeah. Then they always make some festival cultural in Tuludu celebration. Musical instrument typical of Manado or Minahasa. One of the music is kolintang as the traditional musical instrument in Minahasa. This musical instrument is made of special wood with is arranged and played by hitting it, such as a jati or kayu cempaka, something like that. There are so many tourist attractions in Manado. Then I can show you two very famous marine parks in Manado, Bunaken Island and Siladen Island. This is Bunaken Island. The island, of course, Bunaken Island, one of 4 islands in the worldwide Bunaken National Park. The beauty of the coral to the underwater fish of Bunaken Island stretches off behind the blue sea water. The clear sea water even makes hidden coral reefs easily visible. It's very beautiful, isn't it? This is me and my hubby snorkel at Bunaken.
So sweet, Mom.
Yeah.
Sweet moment.
Siladen Island. This is Siladen Island. On this island, there are catamaran like glass boat. We can diving and we can stay at cottage on and there are many food stalls. You can choose according to your pleasure. The beauty of the underwater, like in Bunaken Island, is also amazing. Yeah, that it is filled with coral reefs and a variety of other colorful marine biota. Okay. I think, yeah, that's all. After listening the presentation of one of this culture, hopefully we will appreciate and preserve the richness of Indonesian culture. Thank you.
Wow, fantastic presentation from Mom Annabella. Okay,
Applause to Mama.
big
Congratulations.
applause to Mom Annabella. Plop, 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 plop. Okay, so many participants here. There are how much? There are 19 participants.
I see 22, but now 19.
19.
Maybe connection error.
Yeah. Okay. I think we can give chance to participants to ask directly. First, in the chat room, there is
Hi, Pipi.
Bro Timor. Okay, time for you, Bro Timor, to ask directly.
I think
Oh.
Miss Bro.
Timor, okay, Miss Timor, okay.
Oh, Miss Timor, can you open your camera? We want to know you.
Oh, okay. Wait a second, everyone. So I think I have to wear my hijab right now. Okay. Wait a minute, everyone. I need to wear my hijab right now. Wait a second.
I'm sorry. I guess before Bro Timor, but it's Miss Timor.
Yes. I
Miss
guess
Timur from speaking partner, right?
Yeah.
I don't know, Mom, because many of our tutor we don't know, so that's why we want to know them one by one if can.
Before Miss Timor asks something, can I directly to say something to Miss Praise? Miss Praise, hello, can you hear me?
Hello. Yeah.
Miss Praise, I'm sorry because I didn't guess before that my Zoom is trouble in technique. Can we migrate to speaking partner Zoom as we use usually?
Yeah, of course.
Okay, Mom, I'm sorry, Mom, dear brother and sister here, we must left the Zoom because this my Zoom is gonna be trouble, so we can migrate to link Zoom from speaking partner that we usually every day, right? I'm sorry because I did this before.
Yeah, then we left first, then
yeah, left and then we enter again.
Okay.
Can you share the link?
Yes, as usual in the WhatsApp group, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
For the other, not all in the group.
Yes.
Maybe Bro Koiri, Miss Timor, I think from speaking partner can access directly to speaking partner. Or hello, Miss Vira.
Hello, I'm here, everyone, and I'm coming back right now.
Okay. Okay, we migrate to speaking partner link, right now. Left.
All right, everyone, this is Sis Timur here already.
Miss Timur, I'm sorry.
Hi, Miss Timur.
We must migrate to speaking partner link Zoom because this Zoom is gonna travel.
Oh, okay, okay, okay.
All participant here, please left this room, and we to speaking partner.